This is a pick brick of the Strasburg Railroad station in Strasburg, PA. It's got a fun fact, the history on the back. And the picture was taken in August 2014. If you'd like to purchase it, go to the whistlestopshop.org, or you can pick it up in the Whistle Stop Shop at their gift store. And you can also contact me if you have any questions. This is UV resistant ink. You can put it inside or outside. They give a painted look when put onto masonry. Once again, the Strasburg Railroad Station. Great place. Go check it out. Thank you.